state. People have to travel vast distances, so it's not easy for everybody to travel during the day. So they need to finish what they're doing and come in the evenings. And for that, you need to have floodlights. So I really hope that the program and the proposal that Goa Football Association has put forward with the Sports Authority of Goa goes forward, and we do have floodlights soon.
What do you have to say about the center or the sports ministry should come up with a certain development plan to help football developing, because we are completely far ahead from the other world country footballing nations?
Well, that you'll have to ask the Goa Football Association. They've put a lot of plans and a lot of proposals. They have a lot of ideas to further develop. I'm sure that given a certain amount of time, they will get the backing from the Ministry of Sports, because finally it's what the people want, and the people want their football. They want their football to develop. So I don't think the government of Goa can say in any way no.
You must be knowing about the Asian Football Confederation. How do you see their development of youth development wing or youth development programs that they have come up in Goa now?
Not only the Asian Football Confederation, but even the FIFA, even Sepp Blatter has focused on India. The whole idea is to win in India with India. So I see that there's a lot of support that India will get and is getting from these world bodies, the AFC, FIFA, etc. And that is only going to help, because we need that. We can't do everything on our own. We need their outside support. We need their technical skills. We need their funding. And I see football in India is going to grow, and it's going to grow well.
How can Prochem help GFA in developing young football talents in Goa, though you are a part of professional league always?
There are many ways. One is the support in terms of the tournaments. That's where we come in. So the support in terms of the tournament, in doing the tournaments as well as it possibly can be done, is one area. But more than that, it is something whereby if the youngsters see that there is a good future, if they see their pro league well, if they see their senior players doing well, then automatically their passion with the game, their perseverance in the game, and it comes from within. So it is important for them to see that their seniors and the people that they idolize are actually doing well for themselves, making a good living, and are being treated in a good way. That will help the youngsters take to the sport in larger numbers.
Since you are well versed with football, what would be your suggestion towards a young footballer from a village level in Goa who would like to make up something in football?
It's a lot of hard work. You need a lot of hard work and a lot of luck. But if you stay the course, there is success.
Now tell us about the clubs. There are 8 clubs, 8 teams, so there are maximum number of clubs. Which are the favorite clubs? Which are the important clubs you think Goa Football Association should be proud of or should have? Are the important things?
From my experience,